अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूवर्स। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। आज का टॉपिक जो हम कवर करने जा रहे हैं वो है इम्पोर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज़। तो चलें स्टार्ट करते हैं। हमारा फर्स्ट एमसीक्यू है बेसिक इज़ आ। ऑप्शन ए हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज, ऑप्शन बी लो लेवल लैंग्वेज, ऑप्शन सी असेंबली लैंग्वेज, ऑप्शन डी मशीन लैंग्वेज। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज़ हाई लेवल लैंग्वेज। How many possible solutions are there for a problem? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D multiple. Correct option is multiple. Program upgradation refers to option A program enhancement, option B program identification, option C program development, option D program implementation. Correct option is program development. Which of the following tasks are performed by most of the algorithms? Option A input, option B output, option C processing या फिर ऑप्शन डी ऑल। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑल। टाइपोग्राफिकल एरर्स इन बेसिक स्टेटमेंट्स आर ऑप्शन ए रन टाइम एरर्स, ऑप्शन बी लॉजिकल एरर्स, ऑप्शन सी सिंटैक्स एरर्स, ऑप्शन डी एग्जीक्यूशन एरर्स। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज सिंटैक्स एरर्स। The diamond symbol represent the option A input output, option B decision making, option C processing, option D remarks. Correct option is decision making. Division by zero is option A syntax error, option B logical error, option C runtime error, option D not an error. Correct option is runtime error. Which of the following documents describe various features of the software and the way it is used? Option A software requirement specification, option B problem description, option C user manual, option D algorithm. Correct option is user manual. Algorithm is a option A requirement document, option B design document, option C test document, option D user guide. Correct option is design document. The process of finding and removing errors in the program is called option A runtime error, option B coding, option C debugging, option D errors checking. Correct option is debugging. The technique divide and conquer is used to solve option A simple problems, option B complex problems, option C large problems, option D complex and large problems. Correct option is complex and large problems. GW Basic can operate in option A 1 mode, option B 2 modes, option C 3 modes, option D several modes. Correct option is 2 modes. The maximum length of a variable name in GW Basic is option A 31, option B 32, option C 40, option D 45. Correct option is 40. If two or more statements are written on a line, they must be separated by a option A colon, option B semicolon, option C comma, option D hyphen. Correct option is colon. Which of the following is a type conversion character for integer variables? Option A exclamation sign, option B percent sign, option C hash sign, option D dollar sign. Correct option is percent sign. Which of the following operators has the highest precedence? Option A exponent, option B multiplication, option C plus, option D equal. Correct option is exponent. A variable name must start with a parenthesis n. Option A alphabet, option B underscore, option C digit, option D alphabet or underscore. Correct option is alphabet. Which of the following shortcut key to run a program in GW Basic? Option A F4, option B F3, option C F2, option D F1. Correct option is F2. When a floating point value is converted to an integer, the fractional part. Option A truncated, option B rounded off, option C may be truncated or rounded off. Option D conversion is impossible. Correct option is rounded off. Which of the following statement temporarily stop the execution of a program? Option A break, option B end, option C pause, option D stop. Correct option is stop. Which of the following command continues the program whose execution was terminated temporarily? Option A continue, option B count, option C restart, option D start. Correct option is count. Which of the following is not a logical operator? A and, option B or, option C neither, option D not. Correct option is neither. Which of the following cannot be used to exit from an error handling routine? Option A resume, option B resume next, option C end, option D stop. Correct option is stop. Which one is a multiple branching statement? Option A if else, option B go to, option C on go to, option D on error go to line number. Correct option is on go to. If the integer value of the numeric expression following the keyword on in on go to statement is greater than 255, which type of error occurs? Option A syntax error, option B logical error, option C runtime error, option D it's not an error. Correct option is runtime error. For next is used to implement. Option A iteration, option B selection, option C sequence, option D all. Correct option is iteration. There are dash types of array. Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3, option D 4. Correct option is 2. The statement x parenthesis 30 will reserve memory location. Option A 29, option B 30, option C 31, option D none. Correct option is 31. In two-dimensional array, when dimension is not mentioned, the array should not have more than elements. Option A 10, option B 100, option C 110, option D 121. Correct option is 10. Which of the following statement is used to find the largest value from an array? Option A input, option B read data, option C on error go to, option D none. Correct option is none. Which of the following is not a valid subscript? Option A num parenthesis 10, option B A parenthesis 2, option C B parenthesis 4, option D A parenthesis -2. Correct option is A parenthesis -2. An elements of an array is mentioned by its option A subscript, option B array, option C object, option D name of elements. Correct option is subscript. Dimension statement uses the keyword option A DMS, option B DS, option C dim, option D DM. Correct option is dim. Maximum number of elements per dimension is option A 10, option B 255, option C 32,767, option D none. Correct option is 255. The doubly subscripted variable p parenthesis 3, 2 specifies the data element present in option A column 3 and row 2, option B column 3 and column 2, option C column 2 and row 3, option D none. Correct option is column 2 and row 3. The statement dim C parenthesis 30, 50 would reserve option A 80 locations, option B 1500 locations, option C 1800 locations, option D 150 locations. Correct option is 1500 locations. The function absolute parenthesis -12.45 returns option A 13, option B -12.45, option C 12.45, option D 12. Correct option is 12.45. Left quotation Pakistan, 3 is equal to option A capital PAK, option B capital PAK, option C capital P small a, और ऑप्शन डी कैपिटल के small I small s. Correct option is capital P small a. The outer of a function int parenthesis negative 5.7. Option A negative 5, option B negative 4, option C negative 6, option D 5. Correct option is negative 6. Write dollar symbol parenthesis x dollar comma n will. Option A leave n spaces at the right of string x dollar. Option B leave n spaces at the left string x dollar. Option C leave n characters from the right of side. Option D select n spaces from the right of side. Correct option is leave n characters from the right of side. The output of fix negative 7.09 is option A 7, option B 8, option C negative 7, option D negative 8. Correct option is negative 7. The dash function is used to convert ASCII codes to its character equivalent. Option A character dollar symbol parenthesis. Option B character parenthesis. Option C character. Option D character dollar symbol parenthesis. Correct option is CHR character dollar symbol parenthesis. Instructions that are written once in the main program or independently and can be called more than one time in the main program is called option A control statement, option B loop, option C subprogram, option D none. Correct option is subprogram. Tangent x is equal to option A sin x by cot x, option B cot x, option C cos x by sin x, option D sin x by cos x. Correct option is sin x by cos x. The output of sin minus 4 is option A negative sign, option B positive sign, option C 0, option D none. Correct option is none. A file is activated with one of the following statement before it use. Option A write, option B read, option C print, Option D, none. Correct option is none. A file can be organized in the following ways. Option A, one way. Option B, two ways. Option C, three ways. Option D, four ways. Correct option is two ways. To read information from a file, it must be opened for option A, input, option B, output, option C, both A and B, option D, none. Correct option is both A and B. Which of the following is not a valid graphic mode command? Option A, line. Option B, pset. Option C, color. Option D, none. Correct option is color. The number of background colors available in BASIC is option A, 4, option B, 8, option C, 12, option D, 16. Correct option is 16. Which function changes the way of displaying output in BASIC? Option A, screen. Option B, print. Option C, left $sign. Option D, absolute. Correct option is screen. On color monitors, screen modes are off. Option A, 2 types. Option B, 3 types. Option C, 4 types. Option D, 5 types. Correct option is 5 types. Normally, the computer monitor screen is in option A, graphic mode. Option B, text mode. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. Correct option is text mode. A line can draw with the following statement. Option A, line. Option B, draw. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. Correct option is line. The prefix quotation B in draw statement is used for option A, draw a block. Option B, move with black mark. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of them. Correct option is both A and B. The set of colors red, green and brown is given in option A, palette 0. Option B, palette 1. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none. Correct option is palette 0. The circle statement can also be used to draw option A, line. Option B, box. ऑप्शन सी इलिप्स, ऑप्शन डी पी सेट। करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज इलिप्स। In medium resolution, screen mode colors for foreground are option A 1, option B 2, option C 4, option D 16. Correct option is 1. SQR function is used. Option A random value, option B for log, option C for square root, option D for date. Correct option is for square root. उम्मीद करती हूँ आज का लेक्चर आप सबको समझ आ गया होगा। थैंक यू।